All right, we're going to take a look at this example here where we're going to graph a line on a coordinate plane that is written out in graphic form. And I want to take a look at an example that first of all has a negative slope and second of all has a slope that is just a number. It's an integer, no fraction. How do we put this together? Well, when we are going to graph this out, the first thing we need to do is start at our starting point, the one point that we actually know already, and that's our y-intercept. So we're going to start by putting in a point at 6. Okay, our y-intercept is 6. So if you can see it there, I know it's a little bit small, but if you can see it there at 6, that is where we're going to start. Okay, that's our starting point. That's one of the points on our line that we know. Now, from any point on our line, we can use our slope to find the next one. The next point is going to be, or another point is going to be the slope away from it, or we're going to follow the slope to find it. In this case, the slope is negative 5, which is the same as saying negative 5 over 1, because all whole number or all integers can be written over 1 to represent it as a fraction. So here we go. From there, we're going to use our slope to find our next point. Our rise is negative 5, so that means we're going to go down 5. There goes that little dot. And then our run, because it's not written here, is 1. So we're going to jump over 1 on the positive side to our next point of 1, 1. We could do this again, go down 5 over 1 again from that new point, and it would find a third point on our line. You don't have to do this, because now we have a straight line and we can draw a line through it, and that represents our graph of a linear function. Be careful about the one underneath, because if we're given just an integer, we need to make sure that that's a part of it. Thank you for watching. All the best as you work through your questions.